Welcome to Tactile Brick Builds, and today I'll show you how to make a fun little fidget clicker. Let's get started. So to start, you'll need an 8x8 plate with a 4x6 bit covered with tiles. You can use any tiles, but it just has to be within a 4x6 radius. Next, you want 2 glass panels, doesn't really matter which ones, as long as it's the same as the 5x6 glass panel. Now, you just do that twice on the sides, but not on these two sides. Next, you want to build a wall like this, 6 studs long and 2 studs wide, which will just snap in here, but it has to be 5 bricks tall so it matches over here, making it perfectly flush. And you just want to duplicate that a second time. Now that your base is finished, including the interior bit, pretty much, you can move on to the mechanism. And for that, you'll just need to build this thing 5 bricks deep, and just so it slides smoothly, use some inverted tiles which have these studs here so it can connect onto the bottom of plates. And just do this like 4 bricks tall, not 5. Actually no, 3 and 2/3 tall, a cylinder brick for the axle connector, and one of these plate thingies. Then you want to get an axle here, I think this is a 7 stud long one, and stick that right in. And once you've done that, you can put that in and put an 8x8 plate with a hole in the middle so then the axle can go right through it. Then you can add a bush piece. I couldn't find any, so I just used a gear and 2 tyres. I'm not sure what tyre you can use. I'll just say any though. And assuming you've done it correctly, you've made the satisfying click fidget. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share. Bye!